Ndị Mankata ndewo biko dịka mmeko no mana last time that anyị nwere a lot of complaints ndị mụ na ha si ebe awụ Mankata Security Network, members of Mankata Security Network. So anyị nwere a series of complaints from our mothers, ndị nna anyị, ndị na-abịa ọrụ, ndị na-aga ọrụ. Unu amana ihe awụ time of farming eji aga ọrụ na farm. So I nwere a lot of complaints from most of them. The way ndị Fulani ji disturb ha n'ọrụ and ihe ndị ha kụga n'ọrụ. In fact, even this morning while I was coming, na side ụzọ afọbazi echi abịa Mankata, enwenye ka ejiri m otu nnamachi la muni n'ọkụ na farm. Na ya nọdụ ya yesterday, lekwe mgbe ya na-erutere na ebe farm ebe a, lekwe nnama ndị Fulani ha erie the whole akpụ niile n'ebe a. And the worst part of it wo Nama Panyadia Niri, ndị Fulani eguzoro ebe ahụ na-ele ha anya. They keep watching them while they destroy the crops. So that thing ekwe ha anyị odidi. And this morning, like I told the security members, say na anyị ga-aga ka anyị gaa all the thick forest enwere ebe a, farmland, ka anyị ma otu ihe si nọrọ, because last year enwere ebe anyị chọpụrụ ha the other side. So anyị nwetakwala information na ha abịawakwala small. So anyị agala ebe a this morning. We didn't see them. So Anyaya Pokulano that we are not going to give them that chance to continue to intimidate us in our own land. Such nonsense will not happen in our own time. So this morning we have gone round with the security members in virtually all the farmlands anyway. And those Fulani Headsmen were nowhere to be found, but we have spotted areas. And we want to use this opportunity to call on the state government to tell them that Amankota community is a no-go area for Fulani Headsmen, as far as we are concerned, because these people have really intimidated us in our own land, and such nonsense we're not going to take it lightly. So Biko, we are using this opportunity to call on the state government to tell whoever that is involved, whoever that is in charge of these Fulani Headsmen, that we don't need further destruction of our farmlands again. We don't need it. And today, we want to let them know that today we have formed what is called Forest Guard. And you have formed about Forest Guard today in Amankota. And we're going to extend SEM in Mbiri. As I meet with all the youth present by next week, we are also going to take the same decision to making sure that all the towns, all the communities in Mbiri, they were covered. We don't want further destruction of our farmlands. Since they don't know how to go about with their cows, we now let them know that our mothers cannot suffer, and after suffering for months, then by the time they need to, they ought to go to farm and harvest their crops.